While many interactions are scheduled in advance, not all of them are. In some cases, you will call or visit with a client without previously scheduling it in Curanotis. It is still very valuable to record that interaction. To record an interaction that is not on your schedule, click on Add Unscheduled. This displays the interaction form. Select the client for this interaction. You will only see clients in the list that you have been granted access to. Then enter or select the date and time the interaction took place. Next, select the type of interaction and enter a status. Since this was an unscheduled interaction, complete is likely the correct status. As with interactions for scheduled visits, selecting a condition color indicator may be helpful. Your Curanotis administrator will provide you with guidelines for use at your church for this field. Alternatively, condition can be left empty. Finally, enter any notes you may have about the visit. Notes are not required, but can be helpful when reviewing the history of a client. Be careful that you do not include confidential information here. When you have completed the form, click on Save to record the unscheduled interaction. Because the interaction was unscheduled, it will not appear on your schedule.